Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. In the last class, we have learned our sixth lesson, the organ system in your body. In this lesson, we have learned what is cells, organ, and organ system. Did you remember what do you mean by cells? Yes, cells are the building blocks of our body. Our body is made of cells. And organ means different tissues come together to form an organ, and the organ work together to form an organ system. Organ system means a group of organs. Then we have learned four systems in our body: the circulatory system, the breathing system or respiratory system, the skeletal system, and the muscular system. The circulatory system that consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels that make up the circulatory system. And the next one is the breathing system. The breathing system include nose, windpipe, and a pair of lungs. In this system, we breathe or take in air through our nose, and it passes through the windpipe and reaches in our lungs. The nose, the windpipe, and the lungs that make up the breathing system. Then the next one is the skeletal system. Skeletal system means the hard part of our body is known as bones, and all the bones in our body together form the skeletal system. It gives shape, support, and it also protects the internal organs in our body. Without skeletal system, we will be shapeless and formless. Then the next one is the muscular system. Muscular system means the soft part that covering the bones. They are known as muscles. They are attached to the bones, and it helps for the movement of different parts of our body. All the muscles of our body together form the muscular system. Then today we are going to discuss the rest of the system in the human body. That is about digestive system, excretory system, nerve system, and reproductive system. First we are going to discuss the digestive system. Dear students, in a previous class we have learned when a group of organs that cooperate to carry out a function of the body, it is known as the organ system. The human body that consists of different organ systems. In a previous class we learned the circulatory system, breathing system or respiratory system, the skeletal system, and muscular system. Today we are going to discuss the digestive system of human body. Different organs are together form the digestive system. All human beings need food and water for live. But our body cannot use the food we eat as it is. Here it has to be broken down into simpler substances which are soluble in water. We eat food with our mouth. The process of changing the food into simpler substances, it is called digestion. Digestion means the process of changing food into simpler substances. Then the organs of the digestive system that includes mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the last part is known as the anus. Let us learn more about mouth. The first part is known as mouth. The process of digestion that starts in the mouth. We chew the food with our teeth. When we eat food with our mouth, we chew the food with the help of our teeth. Saliva is secreted in the mouth. Saliva is secreted in the mouth, and the saliva that helps to mix the food and makes it soft. The more you chew your food, the better is the mixing with saliva. Starch in the food is then changed into sugar. Okay, the starch in the food that changed into sugar. Here you can see the process of digestion. Let us take a small piece of bread or chapati. Chew it slowly for some time. It will taste sweet. After the food chewed it properly, it passes through the food pipe. When we swallow the food passes through the food pipe and then it reaches to the stomach. Then the food reaches to the stomach. The picture shows the image of stomach. It's a muscular bag, a bag-like structure, and the walls of the stomach that secrete another type of juice. This juice that helps to change the chewed food into simpler substances. Inside the stomach, the digestive juices that helps to digest the food materials into simpler substances. Then the next part is known as the small intestine. The small intestine is a long and a coiled tube. Some more juices that mix with the food in small intestine, and the walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food and it passes it on the blood vessels. Here, the blood vessels that carry the digested food all over the body, supplying it with nutrition. The food is completely digested in the small intestine and the wastes are sent to the large intestine. Then the waste is sent to the large intestine. The picture shows the image of large intestine. The walls of the large intestine absorb the water, and the rest of the undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. Here, the waste food should leave the body, otherwise it will harmful for our health. This is the digestive system in the human body. Then the next one is the excretory system. Excretory system means the organs that helps to remove out toxic waste from our body. Okay, the excretory system means the organs that helps to remove out toxic waste materials from our body. The organs involved in the excretory systems are a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. This system, it is also known as urinary system. The first part is kidney. Kidney is a bean-shaped red colored organ. We have a pair of kidneys and it helps to filter harmful waste materials such as urine and excess of salt from the blood. Then the next part is ureters. Ureters means it is a pair of tubes that helps to carry waste materials filtered from the blood by kidneys to urinary bladder. Okay, ureters means a pair of tube that helps to carry out waste materials that filtered from the blood by kidneys and to the urinary bladder. Then the next one is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is like a bag. It helps to store the urine until it is released from the body. Then the next part is known as the urethra. It is the last part in the urinary system. It is a tube-like structure. It lets out the urine from the urinary bladder and thus from the body. Then the excretory system that involves lungs and skin. Lungs helps to remove waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide, and the skin that helps to remove salt and excess water from the body in the form of sweat. So, kidneys, lungs and skin form our excretory system. All of you remember, our kidneys, lungs and skin form our excretory system. Then we are going to discuss about the nervous system. The nerve system is one of the most important organ system in the human body. It comprises the brain, spinal cord and the nerves. The nerve system is responsible for the regulation of all the activities of the human body. Okay, the nerve system it is responsible for the regulations of all the activities of the human body. The internal processes like digestion, respiration, and carry out daily activities like hearing, answering, riding a bicycle, understanding a problem, and memorizing a lesson, etc. are carried out by the nerve system. The brain is the most important part in the nerve system. It is the body's most important organ and control center, and it is also the major part of the nerve system. It is located in the head and it is well protected by the bony skull. The brain, it controls all the activities and it receives information from all the body parts and sends messages to them through the nerves. The brain that helps to receive information from all the body parts and send messages to them through the nerves. Nerves are like wires. Nerves helps to carry out the messages from the brain. Okay, then the brain and the nerve system that together form the nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for the regulations of all the activities of the human body. The brain and the nerves together form the nervous system. Then the last one is the reproductive system. Both males and females have separate reproductive system. Reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. The reproductive system in the human beings that helps them to have babies. It is also known as genital system. Dear students, today we discussed about the digestive system, the excretory system, the nervous system and reproductive system. The digestive system that includes the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The process of digestive system includes when we eat food, the food passes through our mouth, then it passes through the food pipe and reaches the stomach. Then the food passes into the small intestine and the food is completely digested there and the waste is sent to the large intestine and through the anus. Then the next one is the excretory system. The excretory system means the organs that helps to remove out toxic waste materials from our body. Here kidneys, lungs and the skin are our excretory organs. The kidneys that helps to filter harmful waste such as urine and excess of salt from the blood. The lungs helps to remove waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide, and the skin helps to remove salt and excess water from the body in the form of sweat. Then the next one is the nerve system. Nerve system is one of the most important organ system in the human body and it is responsible for the regulation of all the activities of the human body. The brain and the nerves together form the nerve system. The brain that receives information from all the body parts and sends messages through the nerves. Then the last one is the reproductive system. Reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. The reproductive system in the human beings helps them to have babies. Okay. These are the organ system in the human body. So we should take care for our body. So take regular physical exercise and eat healthy food to maintain a healthy body. Okay. Then all of you take your textbook and open page number 242. Page number 242 you can see the structure of digestive system. The digestive system that consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. When we eat food, the food enters into the mouth. Here the tongue, the saliva and the teeth that helps to crush and grind the food. And the food is enter into the food pipe. The food passes through the food pipe then reaches into the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like structure. Here the digestive juices are produced. The digestive juices that helps to digest the food materials. Here the food is churned and made into a paste. Here the food is formed a cream-like structure. Then it reaches into the small intestine. The small intestine is a highly coiled structure. Here the food is completely digested and the waste are sent to the large intestine. And in the large intestine, the water is absorbed and the waste materials that are thrown out of the body through the anus. Okay, this is the digestive system in the human body. Then the next one is the excretory system. All of you try to read together. You throw all the garbage out of the house every day. If the garbage remains in the house for a few days, the whole house stinks. So, also all the waste formed in the body should be thrown out every day. If they remain inside your body, you will fall sick. You have a pair of bean-shaped kidneys that remove the waste from your body, your blood in the form of urine. Your lungs remove waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide through the nose. Your skin removes salt and excess water from the body in the form of sweat. Your kidneys, lungs and skin form your excretory system. Okay, here the excretory system means the organs that helps to remove toxic waste materials from the body. The organs involved in the excretory systems are pair of kidneys, lungs and skin. Here the kidney, it is a bean-shaped red-colored organ. Okay, we have two kidneys. Kidneys are a bean-shaped red-colored organ and it helps to filter harmful waste such as urine and excess of salt from the blood. Then the next excretory system is lungs. Lungs helps to remove waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide. Okay, in the process of respiration, we take oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So, lungs helps to remove the waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide. And the next one is the skin. The skin helps to remove salt and excess water from the body in the form of sweat. So, kidneys, lungs and skin form our excretory system. Then the next one is the nervous system. All of you try to read together. You think, learn, remember and do many other things. You see, hear, smell, taste and feel. What helps you do all these? It is your brain. In fact, the brain controls all that you do. The brain receives information from all parts of our body and sends messages to them through the nerves. Nerves are like wires. Your brain and nerves together form the nervous system. Okay, we learned the nervous system is one of the most important organ system in the human body. It consists of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. The nervous system is responsible for the regulation of all the activities of the human body. The brain, it is the body's most important organ and control center, and it also helps to do the major part of the nerve system. It is located in the head and it is well protected by the bony structure known as skull. And the brain helps to receive information from all the body parts and send messages through the nerves. Nerves are like wires. The brain and the nerves together form the nervous system. Then the last one is the reproductive system. The reproductive system in a human beings helps them to have babies. It is because of this system your parents have a sweet child like you. Okay, the reproductive system, both males and females have separate reproductive system. The reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. The reproductive system in the human beings that helps them to have babies. Okay children, then next one is the care of your body. Okay, we should take care for our body. So take regular physical exercises and eat healthy food. Okay, and they will work well all your life. Dear students, now we finished our 6th lesson, the organ system in your body. So all of you try to read the lesson carefully and do the exercises in page number 245, 246 and 247 before next class. Today you will have a test paper of lesson 5, your sense organs. I will send the question paper at 5 p.m. All of you study well. See you next class. Thank you.